How's it, guys? Shane here, Power Team South Africa. So it's been a good week, and I'm getting a lot of calls of people asking me, Shane, what is Bitcoin halving? How does it affect us? And how does it affect cash effects, etc. So I'm just drop this quick video to explain to you what is Bitcoin halving and what it means for all of us. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen very, very quickly with you guys. Go share screen. So let's look at this. So what do we know about Bitcoin so far? So Bitcoin, we know there only can be 21 million Bitcoin ever produced or mined. Okay, at the moment we're sitting around 18 million. So as we go closer to 21 million, what happens? The price starts to go up. Anything that's scarce and limited, anything that's limited edition, price goes up. So unlike your rand and your dollar, where when the government needs more, they can just be printed, that causes inflation to go up. Bitcoin is controlled. That means every 10 minutes, only 12.5 Bitcoin is released to the miners or to the ecosystem for us to use. That's how we get to the 21 million. So right now, every 10 minutes, 12.5 Bitcoin. So if you're looking at the chart at the moment, okay, the first halving occurred in 2013, second halving mid-2016, and as you guys know, 2 days ago was the third halving. So what does a halving mean? So basically, if now 12.5 Bitcoin is released for the miners and for us to use, every 4 years that number is halved. So right as of yesterday, instead of 12.5 being released, it's only going to be 6.25 released. So as you can see, the amount of Bitcoin that's released to us is starting to get smaller and smaller and smaller. So that means the price goes higher and higher and higher because it's harder to get. So let's look at the chart. The first halving, Bitcoin was $12.22. Think about it, good time to have bought, right? 2013, $12.22. Second halving, mid-2016, Bitcoin price was $657. And there's a third halving where Bitcoin was $8,500. So let's just recap. First halving, $12. Second halving, $650. And third halving is $8,400. What's going to be the next halving in the year 2024? Well, speculators say 100,000, 150,000, 200,000 based on these results. So if you look at the screen, you see all the bull runs are in gray here. Okay, when Bitcoin was first launched, goes up there. After the first halving, there's another gray patch here with the Bitcoin just shot up. After the second halving, there you go, another bull run there. And as you can see here, it's showing you another gray patch. And that goes up to what? What are we looking at? Probably 140,000 US dollars. I mean, from anything from 80 to 140,000 US dollars for one Bitcoin. So with 2020, this is going to be the next halving. So that means only 3.5 Bitcoin is going to enter the ecosystem. So can you see how it actually goes up to 1 Bitcoin in the year 2140, right? So this is a good time to be in the Bitcoin space. But I just want to share something else with you. You notice after the Bitcoin halving, there's a small market correction, which means Bitcoin dips a little bit and then it shoots up, okay? Then if you look at 2016 as well, there's a small dip here. So it's like a 65% market correction. So here as well, after the Bitcoin price starts to go up, there is going to be a market correction. So we're looking at plus minus $6,600. Now, this is not financial advice for you to go buy Bitcoin. I'm just giving you, based on historical data, that's what the graphs are showing, that there's always a small pullback on the BTC price. But once it hits that lower resistance, the price starts to catapult up higher. So we are earning in Bitcoin, which is a good thing. I know what I normally do. I normally save 10% of my Bitcoin in my wallet. I think of it as my savings. I don't care whether the price is going up or down. That's my Bitcoin that's saved. So if we can save one Bitcoin in the next 2 to 3 years, and if it goes up to 140,000 US dollars for one Bitcoin, you can see you basically, that's your retirement done. Hence, that is why we're getting so many hedge fund and institutional investors coming in. So hopefully this helps you guys. Try to give you all these videos for you to understand exactly what the Bitcoin halving means. It's a very, very good thing. It's just that the Bitcoin that's released into the ecosystem, it's getting smaller every 4 years. That's about it. Cheers, guys. Have an awesome day.